Hello YouTube, this is an alcohol review of Fireball cinnamon flavored whiskey. According to the label, 33% alcohol by volume, 66 proof. Whiskey with natural cinnamon flavor. Red hot. Clever with the label, burned around the edges. What's really clever is the back. You get that burn and the imagery on the back of the label. According to the label, ignite the night. What you have here is a smooth whiskey with a fiery kick of red hot cinnamon. It tastes like heaven, burns like hell. What happens next is up to you. Now, the interesting thing is that cinnamon has various healing properties. Now, I went through several of these different cinnamon flavored, and many of the whiskeys are flavored with a cinnamon liqueur, not so much cinnamon. Fireball here seems to imply more that is with actual cinnamon, as well as it's a Canadian whiskey. I can't think of the name right now. That also implies that it's flavored with real cinnamon. Given enough drinks of this stuff, you might get the health benefits of the cinnamon, or you just might get drunk. One of the two will happen. Now, usually when they talk about cinnamon in anything, you get a red. In this case, it's still a nice caramel color. I myself like flavored whiskeys, so we'll just run it through the gambit like normal. It's pretty thick. It's taking its own sweet time to start tearing, and a little here, a little there. So, not a whole lot of legs to it, but then again, it kind of has that syrupy onto it. There it goes. Now it's tearing up. Alright. You're not going to believe this, but I smell cinnamon. Lots and lots of cinnamon. And a syrupiness. Believe it or not, syrupiness does have a smell. That's about all you smell. It's like a syrupy, sugary cinnamon. Kind of like Red Hots. It is definitely on the syrupy side. It is heavy on the palate. But it's going to sound awkward. The alcohol burn is not there. And if it is there, it is being completely masked over by the amount of hardcore cinnamon flavor and cinnamon burn. It is, in the beginning, very sweet. Almost like a sugary sweetness to it. Then you get this hot cinnamon. So it's not like cinnamon as in cinnamon and sugar on your toast. It's more like cinnamon as in burn your tongue type cinnamon flavoring. Now, if you're looking for something spicy, this is fantastic, to be honest. I've tried several other of the cinnamon whiskeys out there, want to do a review, but drank it too quick, sorry. This is actually bottle number 3 I've had. So, this is the winner of the now nameless others that I've had in the past. I say give the other ones a try. If I can only remember their name, I'd tell you, but can't think of it right now. I'll tell you how useless I am. But the point is that of the 3 that I've had so far, this one is the most likable. And like I said, the other ones boast of having a cinnamon liqueur. This one actually boasts having cinnamon in it. And that is really what I was looking for. It was not the liqueur, but actual cinnamon. Now the hang time on this. It's not that long. So by the time you're ready for your next sip, the burn is already starting to fade out. It's really good on ice. Now this just had a little bit of water, as the traditional way you're supposed to sample a nice whiskey. And it's helped out, bring out some more of the flavoring out of it, as well as the scent. But to be honest, it's so overbearing with the cinnamon that you don't really need the water. The ice does help. Now, if you're looking for the flavor of the whiskey, you can't taste it. It is so overwhelmed with cinnamon. But you're not just taking down a ball of cinnamon. It's not like just chucking down red hots. It does have other characters to it, such as the sweetness and other things. But if you're looking for the whiskey, keep looking. It is buried so deep down there, you ain't gonna find it. So there you go. This is, oh, and usually put on one time a year. This is a dessert whiskey, so any time of year is going to be good for this one. More than likely, fall, Halloween, when there's plenty of candies out there, this will go well with that. Or, like I said, if you just want something sweet with a kick, you just got a kick on the palate, this'll do it. This will kick your palate. This is Fireball Cinnamon Whiskey. Any comments, please, down below. Or better yet, go out, buy this particular product, and try it yourself on YouTube. And let the rest of us in the YouTube community know your thoughts about Fireball Cinnamon Flavored Whiskey. And until next time, as always, keep on drinking.